Alright, what do we have today? We have the Natural Heat franchise. Let's start off with Heat Evolution. NASCAR Heat Evolution. Put it in. Here, we're gonna put an F tier. Yeah, that game is horrible.
Same. The cars sound like lawnmowers.
Now, what's next? Heat 2? I'm gonna put it in B tier. Yeah, I agree.
I gotta agree. They finally added the Xfinity in Truck Series and in its Heat Evolution, but way better. But there's still some problems from Heat Evolution.
Now, what's next? Heat 3. I'm gonna put this in A tier. Yeah, they finally added burnouts, which so then we finally have and we also finally have the 360 camera. Also very cool. Now what do we have next? Heat 4. Let's put it in S tier. Yeah, they finally have. You can finally race at all the tracks. And let's move on to Heat 5. I'm also gonna put it in S tier. I gotta agree with you. The game is very, very good. And you can finally make custom skins. The paint booth is way better than the paint booth is way better now. The Ultimate Edition Plus. Now the Ultimate Edition on the Switch. Put in A tier. Just because it's almost a copy. Because basically the same. Well, with just some differences. Now, 21 Ignition. This game is definitely going in F. Yeah, that game is awful. The physics are bad.
And there's a lot of glitches and crashes.
Yeah. Yes, car rifles. A very good game. Very. Yeah. How? Over. Thank you for. Yeah.